Alright, peoples. Bubble generating. Test number 2. Ready to go? Ready? Alright, flipping it on. Let's go out there and see what happens. It blew itself over?
Sucked right in. Hold on. Started making bubbles.
Dude.
But it was just going right in.
But it's still pumping.
Okay, hold on. So we'll try it now.
Wow, look at it go. See, this was I was concerned about. Look how close we are to the greenhouse. If it starts... So that's setting number 3?
Yeah. No, setting number 1.
Go with 3, man.
And now we got the setting number 3. There's the bubbles. Let's just walk through them.
Yeah. So I don't know about that rain sensor, bro.
That's cool.
Look. I ain't doing shit. Kill it, man. Kill it.
Okay, I got it. I believe that a successful test. Got the bubbles.
Yeah, we buried it pretty good, didn't we? How's the level in the barrel? Still got lots to test with?
It's down to here.
Oh, we hardly used any at all. I only put it up just above the black mark, above the 25-gallon mark. All right, well, it's something. We're gonna have to work it out.